Own hand can force a seed to rise. No will can make it grow. The ground is clear, the water poured, the sun begins to glow. The life within the hidden grain responds in perfect time. When stones are moved and light arrives, the growth unfolds by sign. The work prepares the open field, but growth is not controlled. The inner life awakens then by power strong and old. No effort makes the spirit rise, it clears the way instead. The seed of truth unfolds itself when all blocks are shed. The breath is steadied, body cleansed, the mind grows calm and clear. Devotion softens every edge, the inner light draws near. The focus rests, the noise grows thin, the heart becomes a guide. The ground is ready for the seed that waits to rise inside. The work prepares the open field, but growth is not controlled. The inner life awakens then by power strong and old. No effort makes the spirit rise, it clears the way instead. The seed of truth unfolds itself when all blocks are shed. The farmer tends but does not force the rhythm of the land. The deeper life moves on its own beyond the human hand. So too the soul expands by law that no